To find zero sum subarrays, we have given an array of size n. We have to find total count of subarrays having sum equals to 0. Here there are 4 zeros. 0 itself is subarrays. So 4 subarrays are there, and this 2 consecutive 0 is one subarray whose sum is 0, and this 2 zeros are one subarray whose sum is 0. So total is 6. Now see this example. In this example, this subarray contains sum 0. This also subarray means consecutive elements, side by side elements whose sum is 0. So in this example, there are 4 subarrays. Now see how we will do this. We will create a dictionary. We have two variables. Sum is equals to 0 and count is equals to 0. There will be a condition. If sum is equals to 0, then we will increment the value of count by 1. But if sum is not in dictionary, so what we will do? We will add this sum into dictionary and we will give its value to the 1. But what if sum is in dictionary? If sum in D, अगर हमारा sum D के अंदर होगा, then what we will do? We will increment count value by what? By value of D of sum. And increment the value of D sum by 1. Now see here 0, sum is 0. So increment count value by 1. Here again sum is 0, increment count value by 2. But initially when we have this 0 sum, so we don't have 0 in dictionary, so we will append it into dictionary and give its value 1. Then count will become 1, then again 0, then 0, so count value will become 2, but this sum is not in, but 0 is in dictionary, so count value again will become 3, increment by 1, and value of D sum is increased by 1, so its value will be 2. Now sum value is 5, which is not in D, so we will append. Now sum value is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10, which is not in dictionary, so we will add it, give its value to 1. Now 0. 10 plus 0 is 10, which is again in dictionary. So count value will become 10 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4, and increment its value by 2. Now this 0, 10 plus 0 is 10. So value will increment 4 plus 2, that is 6, and this value will become 3. We iterated all the elements of this array, so and we will return this as a output. Now see the code. Here we declare our dictionary. Sum variable is equals to 0. Count variable is equals to 0. Now iterate over the dictionary array. If sum is equals to 0, then value of count will be increment by 1. If sum in D, so count value will increase by D of sum, and D of sum plus equals to 1, else D of sum is equals to 1, return count. So this is the code, and we calculated sum here. Here we forget to increment our sum value